In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation using LibreOffice Impress. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this guide will take you through the basics, step by step, ensuring you feel confident crafting your next slideshow. So, let's dive right in and get started with opening or creating a new presentation. The first thing you'll want to do is locate and double-click the LibreOffice icon on your computer. Once the application is open, it will take you to the Start Center. From here, you'll find several options for different LibreOffice applications. Go ahead and click on Impress Presentation. This will launch the presentation program, which is designed to help you create professional-looking slides with ease. Now, you'll be given a choice. If you already have a presentation template in mind, you can select it here. However, if you're starting from scratch or prefer to have full creative control, choose the Empty Presentation option. After making your selection, click on Create. And just like that, you've laid the groundwork for your new presentation. Next up, let's talk about how to insert a text box, which is essential for adding text to your slides. Look towards the bottom of the window. This is where the drawing toolbar resides. This handy toolbar contains various tools to enhance and format your slides. We're going to focus on the text box tool. Click on it when you find it. It looks like an icon designed specifically for creating text boxes. With the tool activated, move your cursor onto the slide where you want the text box to appear. Click and hold down the mouse button, then drag to draw the text box to your preferred size. Releasing the mouse button will set the box in place. This method allows you to adjust the dimensions to fit your content perfectly, offering flexibility right from the start. Once your text box is in place, it's time to fill it with text. Simply click inside the text box, and you'll see the cursor blinking, inviting you to start typing. Whether it's a title, a bullet point list, or a couple of notes, add whatever information suits the slide you're working on. Keep in mind that you can always edit and format the text later, so feel free to express your initial ideas here without worrying about their final form. These are the foundational steps for creating a presentation in LibreOffice Impress. As you continue building your slides, remember that practice makes perfect. Explore additional features like transitions and animations to really make your presentation stand out. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you on your journey to creating beautiful presentations.